Did the door get you? Did it get you? Good morning. There you go. There you go. Good morning. Oh, what is happening out here? What are you guys doing? Who's fighting? Where you going, Nugget? Where you going, little Nugget? Oh, it is cold. I know I've been saying it's cold, but now it actually is really, really cold. Yeah. I can smell winter. I don't like it. Always going to the water. Okay, let's go check on the babies. Hey there, ladies. Hiya there, ladies. What you doing? What you doing? You tap dancing? You tap dancing? Be nice. Be nice. Excuse me. Hello. Where are you going? Okay, let's... Oh, yawning, sorry. You guys. Okay, let's put Edna up with the babies and do some cleaning. Yeah? Okay. Or I put Edna up when I'm up here. Sometimes I put her. Sometimes it's her. Sometimes it's Greta, the little black nugget. I put them up with the babies so they can kind of just... I don't know. Eventually that's where they're gonna live. Yeah, eventually. Okay, let's do that thing.